Welcome back to the garage, the most pointless automotive repair channel on the entire internet. Today we're working on a 2004 SAAB 9.3 that's clattering down the road with every small bump and change in the road. And after taking a look at the front end, it's pretty clear that the stabilizer bar links are shot. So today we're going to be replacing them. How hard can it be? This is a straight nuts and bolts part swap, so if you've got a basic set of wrenches and sockets and a jack stand, you can do this job. Start by removing the wheel and setting it aside. The stabilizer bar links are held in with two 19mm nuts. The shafts have flat spots in the back to hold them from rotating with a standard open-end wrench while removing the nuts. Mine needed a 19mm on the right side that had an OEM link and a 15mm on the left side which had some aftermarket junk on it. Pay attention and install the new links in the same orientation as the old ones. The lower link goes through the stabilizer bar. Start the bolt by hand and leave it loose. Use your hydraulic jack to lift up on the steering knuckle assembly to align the upper link bolt with the mounting hole in the strut housing. Start the bolt by hand. Hold the shafts with your wrench and give it the beans. These new links require a 19mm socket and an 18mm wrench to hold the shaft. After beans have been administered, torque to factory spec, which in my particular application is 47 foot-pounds or 64 Newton-meters. Check service data for your specific vehicle. You can hear the ball socket wear in this link. This end is not as worn. I recommend replacing stabilizer bar links in pairs. This job is also required with both wheels in the air at the same time to prevent unequal loading of the stabilizer bar during installation. Torque wheel lug nuts to factory spec, which in this application is 81 foot-pounds or 110 Newton-meters. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe, and remember, how hard can it be?